This video is for Rich Nguyen. It's not gonna be the greatest, and it's not gonna be the full song, but yeah. Lately been questioning if I still see you the same way. 'Cause through these trying years we gonna both basically change. Now don't you know you'll always be the most beautiful man that I know. So let me reassure you, darling, that my feelings are truly unconditional. See, I love you when your hair turns gray, yeah. I still want you if you gain a little weight, yeah. The way I feel for you will always be the same, just as long as your love don't change. 'Cause I was meant for you and you were meant for me, yeah. And I'll make sure that I'll be everything you need, yeah. For the way we are is how it's gonna be, just as long as your love don't change.